rest and some luck, the doctor thinks I should be out of here in a few days.
Oh, splendid. I'm thankful the blow caused no permanent damage. And now, if you'll excuse me...
Thank you very much, Miss Marple. Oh, Miss Marple, there is one thing I thought you might like to know, that as a result of my work on this case, I'm to be promoted Chief Inspector.
Oh, I'm so glad. Congratulations.
Yes. Well, thank you, Miss Marple.
Not at all, Inspector. Chief Inspector. Well, au revoir.
Forgive me if I fail to rise, dear lady.
I quite understand, Mr. Cosgrove. I brought you some magazines to help while away the time.
Ah, yes, time. I've been lying here contemplating a bleak future, unless...
Unless?
Well, I wondered if you'd given any thought to my play, Remember September.
It has been rather on my mind.
Dear lady, I have a small confession to make. It was I who left the script in your room.
Really?
Yes, I hoped it might make some impression upon you.
It did.
Good. You see, it seems to me that with one or two minor alterations in the second act, I have here a very valuable property.
I'm so happy for you, Mr. Cosgrove.
There is, however, one tiny, weeny little snag.
Oh?
Yes. It's sordid, of course, when dealing with the arts, but a play, whatever its merits, requires a backer.
Mr. Cosgrove, whatever I may or may not be, I am definitely no angel. Goodbye. And good luck.